Hello friends, I'm Dr.Nitro and this is 8-Bone Custom Workshop. And today I will show you my #1 Les Paul. It took me 10 years to find such a great construction. So in this Les Paul turns out all parts, all construction perfectly. It's weight 3.7 kilograms. It's very light, but it's very resonant. It shakes like a hurricane, really. And it is very acoustically. It sounds like an acoustic guitar, but it has no chambers. So the finish, it's almost similar to the project that I make for John Sykes and his 59 Les Paul copy. Very thin, hard nitro coat. Rosewood on the fretboard. Like always, I use only rosewood. Right pattern, historical pattern, celluloid inlays. So bridge, it's St. Helens reproduction of ABR1. St. Helens is I think one of the most accurate and the best reproduction of metal parts for vintage Les Pauls, replacement parts, or for important projects. So it has the right shape, right weight, right alloy, and right sound. This is very important, and it sounds really great. Tailpiece, it's 8-Bone Custom replica, aluminium with nickel plated without any copper layer. Tailpiece screws or bolts. It's a long soft steel 8-Bone Custom replica. Also nickel plated without any copper layer and aged. Knobs, volume knobs. This is butyrate reproduction, and it has the right shape, curves, and right material, color, all like in vintage knobs. I have four vintage knobs from 1959, and it's looked similar, just perfect. Pickguard, 8-Bone Custom replica aged. Pickguard bracket, 8-Bone Custom replica aged. Very interesting flame on it. Electronics, V-pots and 2 vintage capacitors, 50s wiring, like I always do for the most correct work with volume and tone knobs. So pickups. Now the pickups, it's my custom pickups for especially this guitar. It's a 59 hot set, but with only 2 magnets, and it sounds really bright and power. All construction glued with hide glue. It's only the right way to make a musical instrument. Any modern glue like Tide Bond or polyurethane glue, with such glue you can't make right resonant characteristics on the all construction. Only hide glue gives you the right resonance impulse, and it don't make it low. So high glue is real power. You know, when I bought my first Les Paul, my first Gibson Les Paul, and I believed that such guitar gives me independent joy and musical push. I always thought that a good, right instrument, right Les Paul, can play it itself. You just need to thinking about the music and don't think about the sound. And every Les Paul that I had don't have this function. I always need to fight with fretboard, with strings, with attack, with all this stuff. But in this Les Paul, I don't need to think about it all. I just play unplugged or through the amp, and I don't need pedals at all. actually really I don't need the pedals. Only cranked amp and volume and tone knobs. Very sensitive pickups, and it gives you feelings of wood sound, wood resonation, and this is very important in such vintage style guitars, when you not just hear the signal from the strings and pickups, but you hear the resonance of all construction, the sound of wood. And it don't forgive your mistakes, really. You can hear just all your small touches. But when you have a note, what I can say, it's the best Les Paul that I had. Actually, for all these years, I realized that I don't need here in my workshop such precious Les Paul only for testing pickups. It's a bad idea. That's why I bought this very heavy Gibson Les Paul Standard, but it sounds quite good. Not so good that like this guitar, but I can, on this Les Paul, I can hear all that I need in my pickups. It's a middle position of sound, and it's very useful for me right now. Now I show you how sound this guitar through this Marshall amp only guitar, cable and amp, without pedals, so just the naked sound. Let's go. Okay. No pedals, only cable, Mogami cable, guitar, Marshall amp in normal channel with jumper. It's quite clean. It's a volume 7. Bright channel. So it's a Gibson Standard with rumble hard pickups. Бля. And this is old strings, old Dario. So, I think it's the best Les Paul I ever had. All is perfect. I really like this guitar, but this guitar needs some more, not only stuck in my wall here in workshop and used only for testing pickups. It needs to be on the stage, and it needs big sound. So guys, see you soon, and rock and roll for all.